You know, I don't know your situation, but I work on mobile homes because nobody else wants to, and I can adjust my budget to fit theirs. But a lot of times you want to put in like a 2.5 inch trim or a 3.5 or whatever kind of trim you want to add, and it didn't have trim before. Or if it did, it was like a batten strip like that, which is like 1.25 inches wide. So you're going to want to put that trim in. You can tell how I've been carving on that. Well, how did I do that? Well, I took that oscillating saw. It's going to be difficult because I'm trying to hold with one hand. So I pulled that out so that this trim will go under, and I make sure there's no nails there, and I just do that all the way around. Now you can do that with a razor knife. Batten strips cut really well with snips. So you can get the size of the trim, just cut a small piece, cut back that batten strip so it doesn't make your trim stand up. I understand trying to make things prettier sometimes requires a little more effort. I understand that. You should understand also the more effort you put into it, the better it ends up looking. In theory, anyway. All the best to you guys.